Not everyone who says to me, Lord, Lord, will enter the kingdom of heaven, but only the one who does the will of my Father who is in heaven. Many will say to me on that day, Lord, Lord, did we not prophesy in your name? Did we not drive out demons in your name? And did we not perform many miracles in your name? Then I will tell them plainly, I never knew you. Depart from me, you who practice wickedness. Wickedness, 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 wickedness. One of God's will is this: have you truly repented and confessed your sins? Have you been baptized by immersion? If not, make sure you do so, or else when the Lord comes,